Dr. Pillai's Grand Golden Age Statue Installation. Wealth Creator Venkateshwara and Golden Age Madhva, Anjaneya, Bhima. Dr. Pillai says, Madhva represents Prana, the divine life force, and also Hanuman, the most powerful god for whom nothing is impossible. He is also another god called Bhima. He is an incredibly powerful being. Overview: Ultimate Wealth Creator Venkateshwara, Golden Age Madhva, Bhima, Anjaneya descend at Dr. Pillai's temple. Dr. Pillai is initiating the entry to the Golden Age with a grand Golden Age statue installation of Venkateshwara, the Lord of Infinite Wealth, Ultimate Refuge, and Boon-Bestower, as well as an important avatar of Vishnu, Vedic Master Madhvachari, an immensely powerful being who will usher in this new age. The installation ceremony will be the grandest in AstroVed's history and will consist of installing and consecrating statues of Venkateshwara and a rare 3-in-1 statue of Madhva, Bhima, archetype of power and knowledge, and Anjaneya, divine protector and impossible doer archetype, carved from the wood of the most sacred tree for Vishnu, Atti tree, fig tree, with special pujas, offerings, and grand fire labs performed according to Vedic protocols. Dr. Pillai initiates the Golden Age with Wealth Creator Venkateshwara. Attributes of the auspicious Atti, fig tree. According to sacred texts, the fig tree is believed to represent the Holy Trinity: Brahma, the creator, the roots; Vishnu, the protector, the trunk; and Shiva, the destroyer, the leaves. The Bhagavad Gita says that the holy fig tree represents the many branches of consciousness that are all connected to the same eternal source of the divine. The tree's wood does not decay and is believed to bring prosperity, wealth, and peace. Dr. Pillai has revealed that propitiating these all-powerful divine beings can bestow 200% life blessings to create abundance, empower financial well-being, elevate your spiritual growth, and grant happiness, health, and success. The Grand Golden Age statue installation will be conducted on the 784th birthday of Madhva, an auspicious day that is also Vijayadasami, the final culmination of victory during the 9 nights of the goddess, which is October 5th, 2022 IST. Dr. Pillai installs Golden Age Madhva for 200% life blessings. Dr. Pillai's message on Grand Golden Age statue installation of Venkateshwara and Madhva. Venkatesha or Venkateshwara is a god of infinite wealth. When you have given up all kinds of positive attitudes and you are totally overwhelmed by sorrow, suffering, lack of money, etc., the only hope to give you incredible health and wealth is Venkateshwara. Madhva is an incarnation of Vishnu himself, particularly his prana, his life force Vayu. Madhva also represents Hanuman, the most powerful god for whom nothing is impossible. He is also another god called Bhima. We are making a statue of this most powerful being who is going to bring the Golden Age. Once these statues are installed in our temple in Chennai, that will ensure everybody 200% life, 100% material, and 100% spiritual. God bless. Supreme Divine Beings bestow 200% life blessings and grant salvation. Venkateshwara, Supreme Wealth Creator Archetype. Vishnu as Venkateshwara is the wealthiest archetype and lord of the 7 hills of Tirumala in South India, known as the Mountain of Wealth. The sacred text Brahmanda Purana hails him as the omnipresent savior archetype who never leaves those who seek him and blesses them with Aishwaryam, wealth, Raja Sanmanam, fame, Bhukthi, material pleasures, and Mukti, salvation. Divine blessings of Venkateshwara. Connecting with Venkateshwara with faith and devotion is believed to help remove financial obstacles and clear debts to create permanent wealth and bestow boons of prosperity, peace, and abundance. Madhva, initiator of the Golden Age. Madhva, believed to be the third incarnation of Vayu in the Kali Yuga, is the initiator of the Golden Age, a profound scholar, divine mystic, and propagator of the Vedas. According to the sacred hymn Balita Suktam, Madhva is believed to be associated with 2 other incarnations of Vayu, archetypes of immense power, strength, courage, and supreme intelligence, Anjaneya and Bhima. Madhva as Vayu, life force and celestial purifier. According to Balita Suktam, Vayu incarnated and assisted Vishnu in his 3 avatars across different yugas, periods. In Treta Yuga, he was Hanuman assisting Vishnu as Rama. In Dwapara Yuga, he was Bhima serving Vishnu as Krishna, and in Kali Yuga, he incarnated as Madhvacharya serving Sri Vedavyasa. According to the Purusha Sukta, Vayu is said to have originated from the breath of Purusha, Vishnu, and is equally as powerful as the king of gods, Indra. Madhva as Anjaneya, impossible doer and divine protector. Anjaneya, Hanuman, is prana or life force energy, as his father is Vayu, the wind god. He is a mighty warrior archetype who is the epitome of discipline, dedication, devotion, loyalty, and bravery. He is the impossible doer with superhuman powers and supreme intelligence who can accomplish any goal. Madhva as Bhima, bestower of immense power, valor, and knowledge. According to sacred texts, Bhima is the favored son of Vayu and the celestial brother of Hanuman. Sacred texts hail him as the strongest and bravest, who possessed the strength of 10,000 elephants and was believed to be as strong as Indra or Vayu. He had an astute mind, represented jnana, knowledge, and used his immense power and skill to establish dharma, righteousness. Divine combined blessings of Madhva, Anjaneya, and Bhima. Connecting with Madhva, who embodies the essence of Anjaneya and Bhima, can help you gain the following blessings: bestows knowledge and discipline, expands willpower to enhance your material wealth and comforts, helps evolve spiritually, fortifies your ability to accomplish the impossible, grants power, improves your mental and physical strength, bolsters perseverance to pursue your dreams, instills wisdom and self-confidence, imbues highest intelligence to encounter problems and overcome them, unites with the essence of the divine, and helps attain salvation. Join grand installation ceremonies and pujas for wealth archetype Venkateshwara and Golden Age Madhva with Bhima and Anjaneya. During AstroVed's grand installation ceremonies for Venkateshwara, Golden Age Madhva with Anjaneya and Bhima, Our priests will invoke the powerful energy and presence of the divine into these statues with a special eye-opening puja following sacred protocols to bring life to the statues, which is further empowered by a series of special pujas at this power spot and powerful fire labs to help connect with their divine energy and disseminate their positive vibrations to the entire world.